Presido Buhari don tok say Naija stand by ECOWAS decision say make Mali return to constitutional order. Presido Muhammadu Buhari join ECOWAS heads of state and government to call for immediate release of Mali Presido Boubacar Keita and make the country return to constitutional order. He tok dis one on Thursday 20th August 2020 for the virtual ECOWAS extraordinary meeting wey dem hold on top the katakata wey dey shele for Mali. Say as dem remove the Malian leader so, e fit cause more katakata for the country wey go come affect the West African sub-region. Presido Buhari yarn say belle no sweet am at all unto the way military people take arrest Presido Boubacar Keita, prime minister and ogbonge people for government. And this one come make the Presido resign, come still scatter parliament. He tok say all the efforts of ministers, the special envoy, chief mediator and group of heads of state of the organization, as well as the extraordinary summit wey dem do, no get better results, as Mali not just enter political chaos but also socio-economic and security disaster. Presido Buhari clap hand for African Union, United Nations and other international bodies for the way dem take react to the military coup for Mali. Say make dem work with ECOWAS to restore peace and order for the country. He yarn say Naija go continue to support the decision of ECOWAS. Say make dem immediately release Presido Keita and other detainees without conditions. Plus say Naija support the efforts of Presido of Niger, Mahamadou Issoufou, on top the wider region and continental consultations, especially for the possibility say dem fit detach ECOWAS and AU troops with UN missions go Mali to protect state institutions and also defend the country to protect lives and properties. Make una sabi say wetin the leaders dem declare for the summit na how to restore the constitutional order, release of Presido Keita and all the people wey dem arrest, to stop economic relations with Mali except for food, fuel and medication sake of the people. Dem still decide say dem go continue their talk with the people wey get hand for the crisis, while the special envoy wey dem appoint, Naija former Presido Goodluck Jonathan, along with ECOWAS Presido Jean-Claude Cassibrau, go visit Mali to go tell them this decision wey West African leaders don make so. This na the ogbonge informate wey carry come give una on top with tori for today. As Presido Buhari don talk say Naija stand by ECOWAS decision say make Mali return to constitutional order, make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayende.